Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to change alarm ringtone on ViVO Y20i mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to setting in your ViVO Y20i mobile phone. In settings, okay, scroll down and go to sounds and vibration. Okay, tap this. Here in sounds and vibration, scroll down again and you can see the alarm ringtone. And okay guys, to change this, you'll have to do stop the alarm ringtone and you can see the option and you can scroll down for more option or up. And okay, so I decide to change into clock alert. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully changed the alarm ringtone into clock alert. And that's it. Okay, so we have successfully changed the alarm ringtone on ViVO Y20i mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.